Exercise E4, subtracting polynomials. 1. Subtract. Draw algebra tiles if needed. A. 5x plus 13 minus 3x plus 9. When we subtract, remember we have to reverse the sign of the second group that is being subtracted. So we have 5x, take away 3x, which is 2x. 13, take away 9, which is 4. So your final answer is 2x plus 4. B. 8x minus 10, subtract 9x plus 15. So here I have 8x, take away 9x, I have negative 1x. Negative 10, take away 15, that is negative 10 minus 15, which is negative 25. 2. Simplify each expression. A. 5x plus 3 minus the group 3x plus 2. Since we are subtracting, the first group is not affected, so it's 5x plus 3. But the group that is being subtracted, we have to change the signs. So take away 3x, take away positive 2 is negative 2. Now collect like terms just like the last exercise when you were adding polynomials. 5x minus 3x are grouped together, plus 3 minus 2 are grouped together. 5x minus 3x is 2x, plus 3 minus 2 is plus 1. B. 5x plus 3 minus the group 3x minus 2. So 5x plus 3 stays the same. The group that is being subtracted, now remember without the brackets, we have to reverse the signs. Subtract 3x, subtract negative 2, while minus minus turns into plus 2, according to the rules of integers. So we have 5x minus 3x grouped together, and then 3 plus 2 grouped together. Collect like terms. 5x minus 3x is 2x. Plus 3 plus 2 is plus 5. C. We have 5x plus 3 minus the group negative 3x plus 2. So 5x plus 3 stays. The group being subtracted, I have minus minus 3x, so plus 3x. I am minus plus 2, I have minus 2. Collect like terms. 5x plus 3x plus 3 minus 2. 5x plus 3x is 8x. Plus 3 minus 2 is plus 1. D. 5x plus 3. Subtract the group negative 3x minus 2. First group is 5x plus 3, not affected. What about the second group? Minus negative 3x simplifies to plus 3x. Minus negative 2 minus negative is plus 2. Collect like terms. Simplify. You get 8x plus 5. Number 2. We have trinomials. We have some x squares terms. Does that matter? No, the rules is the same. So your first group, 3x squared plus 2x plus 4, stays the same. When you subtract the second group, we're subtracting 2x squared. Subtract 2x squared. We're subtracting x. Subtract x. We're subtracting positive 1. Subtract 1. Collect like terms. Remember the sign with the coefficient goes together. Okay? So 3x squared can be grouped with minus 2x squared. Plus 2x can be grouped with minus x. Plus 4 can be grouped with minus 1. 3x squared minus 2x squared is 1x squared, so x squared. Plus 2x minus x plus 1x or plus x. plus 4 minus 1 plus 3. Question B. 3x minus 2x plus 4 minus 2x squared minus x plus 1. 3x minus 2x plus 4 stays. Now we're subtracting 2x squared, subtract 2x squared. Subtract negative x, subtract negative, positive x. Subtract 1, subtract 1. Collect like terms. Start with the x squared term. There's only 1, so remember this is negative 2x squared. Collect the x terms. 3x minus 2x plus x, right there. Collect constants, plus 4 minus 1. Now simplify. Negative 2x squared stays the same because it's on its own. Plus 3x minus 2x plus x simplifies to plus 2x. Plus 4 minus 1 is plus 3. Question C. Here's the question. How do we simplify this? When we subtract the second group, that's where we have to pay attention. So first group is here. Subtract negative 2x squared plus 2x squared. Subtracting positive x minus x. Subtracting negative 1, positive 1. Okay. Collect the x squared term, x terms with the correct signs, constants, and simplify. Question D is very similar now. Is it okay to have a negative coefficient with your first term? Absolutely. And then subtract the trinomial here. So remember, we're subtracting 2x squared. We're subtracting negative x becomes positive. Subtracting negative 1 is positive as well. Collect like terms, group them together, and then simplify. Number 3 is just more practice. Be careful with your signs. Here we have this. And make sure when you write your final answer, we are writing polynomials in descending order, which means that the variable with the highest exponent, or the degree, really that's what we call it, goes first, and then your constant, if you have any, goes last. Okay. And then number 4. So I can see that in 4D here, we have x cubed terms. Does it change the way we simplify polynomials? Not at all, because you just have to group x cubed terms with other x cubed terms. You can check your answers carefully. And here we go. Okay, so you can pause the screen longer if you want to take a closer look at a certain questions. But basically, this whole worksheet is about being careful with your negative and positive signs when you're subtracting polynomials.